This video shows how to clean the print head. Remove the ribbon cartridge by opening the printer door. Turn off the printer by pressing the front button and remove the power cord. Remove the cleaning swab from its pouch. The print head terminal is located above the black line. Move the swab back and forth across the print head 3 to 4 times. Close the front door, plug in the power cord and turn the printer on. To clear the check ribbon message, press the right button. Open the front door and load the ribbon cartridge into the printer.